Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a Chanel unboxing to share with you guys. So I did a poll on my Insta stories asking you guys if you wanted me to unbox it now or wait until Christmas, and an overwhelming majority of you guys voted for me to unbox it now. I think it was like over 90% to like under 10%. Yeah, basically everyone wanted me to unbox it right away, and I am a very impatient person myself too. So yes, I also want to open this ASAP. I do have something that is smaller that I will be saving until Christmas, but yeah, this I want to unbox it now so I can, like, even if I don't use it, I could look at it, right? And I really love this holiday packaging. So this year it's in this gold font for the Chanel words, and then there's this little pearl sort of like button on here, and yeah, it's just so pretty. So if you read the title of this video, it is a tweed bag, and Chanel is known for their tweed, and I've been wanting a tweed bag from Chanel for so long, but it either hasn't been something that I want for myself, or I think there was like a few in the past that I liked but I couldn't get my hands on. So I saw this one, I saw pictures of it, like swatches, and I was like, okay, this is really gorgeous. I'm going to try to get this. And it actually was a little bit difficult to even find the stores that were going to be receiving this. I think a lot of stores were getting something similar, but not in the size that I wanted. So I really wanted a mini rectangular, but it seemed like the specific tweed bag, most stores were just getting it in the medium. And for me personally, it's not the size so much that is not right for me. It's just that in tweed, first of all, that's a lot of money to be paying for a tweed bag. And not to mention, it also is a lot of like surface area for like a cloth material. So the medium wasn't like my top choice. I wanted something that was in a smaller size, and now that I open it, I see that it's not in the dust bag. So here's the bag right here. It is this tweed mini rectangular, and let me put this down first, and it is just so pretty. And there are like so many different tweeds. Like Chanel does so many different tweeds. Like every collection there is something, but this one is just, in my opinion, it's like so unique. I really like how it is kind of like this looser tweed. I tend to like the tweeds that are a little bit more textured compared to the ones that is kind of like a very flat cloth material, sort of. I like when there's a little bit of texture, a little bit more like depth to the tweed. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. I hope I'm making a little bit of sense, but this one is just so pretty. There's so many different colors to it. There's like pinks, there is like a darker blue, a lighter blue, there's even like this khaki color, there is some type of ribbon in here that says Coco Chanel on it. It's just so stunning, and this is in, I believe it's in a light gold hardware. So let me take off the wrapping off of the strap so I can show you guys the full thing. And yeah, so many stores were only getting this tweed in a medium. I asked so many stores, living in Jersey, there's so many stores that are by me, luckily. And I asked so many of them, different sales associates, like even pulled out their buy book to check for me. And the chain is actually a white, probably lambskin. It's a white leather. It's like gold hardware. And the inside is also white, also in leather. And this is just honestly so stunning. I had pretty bad experiences getting mini rectangulars. There were two that I purchased and then returned last year for different reasons. One of them I showed, and I actually showed like the quality issues here on my channel in a video. The other one I unboxed. I filmed the unboxing, but then as I was unboxing it, I noticed that there was like another defect on it, like multiple defects actually. So I didn't even bother posting that whatsoever. And ever since then, I was like, okay, I'm actually going to hold out for a tweed mini rectangular. So finally, I have it. And this one I actually purchased in person in store. They don't ship like the classics anymore. So I've already inspected it, looked over it, and yes, it is perfectly fine. Everything is aligned and everything. Yeah, it's just so stunning, so pretty. And I guess if you guys are looking for this bag yourself, I guess here is the tag. You guys can see that. So that is the style number and everything if you guys are looking for it. And it's $4,000. So the tweeds are usually a little bit less than the faux leather one. So I think the leather one is $4,400. So this one is $400 less. This is just so stunning. And they also have the same tweed in a blazer form. I don't know. It's nice, but I think the sleeves, like the very bottom of the sleeves, there's this sort of like, I think it's like a sequined block right at the bottom of the sleeve. And that's, I don't know. I can't see myself wearing that. Plus their blazers are crazy expensive. And they also have a pair of their slingbacks in the same type of material too, the same exact tweed. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I get it to match this? It looks really pretty. It's got like the black little cap at the toe at the front of the slingbacks, and it's so pretty. But like on a bag, yes, this is probably a little bit more delicate than, you know, like a caviar bag, for example. But on a bag, you know, this is manageable, even though it's tweed and it's like a little bit of like a looser texture tweed with like a bunch of, you know, little threads sticking out already. It's a little bit more delicate, of course, but on a bag, it's manageable, I think. On a pair of shoes, I'm not so sure, especially since it is like a white, sort of like off-white actually. It's like an off-white backdrop. I don't know, on a pair of shoes, I'm not sure if this is a good idea, but let me know what you guys think, because I've been wanting to get a pair of the Chanel slingbacks, but there hasn't been one that I really liked. I know the one that is like beige and black is super classic, but I just don't like that color of beige on me, so I ruled that one out. And there just hasn't been one until this tweed pattern one that I really like. But yeah, I still don't know if that's a great idea. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Yeah, this is my newest bag. This is probably, for now, I mean, things can change, but this is kind of like the last bag that I know I for sure want from Chanel. Yeah, there are some that I'm thinking about, but this was like the last one that was like really on my wish list. I just wanted a tweed bag from Chanel because, like, you know, Chanel's known for their tweed. It's iconic. So glad that I finally have it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little early Christmas unboxing video. Let me know, what do you guys think of this bag, and do you also think I should get the matching shoes? And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for new videos every single week on luxury and fashion. And I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.